Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the SofaBaton X2 Universal Remote. A device that promises to simplify your home entertainment setup while bringing smart home control to your fingertips. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by multiple remotes scattered across your living room, the X2 aims to replace them all with one sleek, powerful unit. The SofaBaton X2 is designed as an all-in-one universal remote with a built-in hub, capable of controlling over 500,000 devices from more than 6,000 brands. It combines infrared, Bluetooth, RF, and Wi-Fi compatibility, which means you can operate your television, soundbars, streaming devices, gaming consoles, set-top boxes, and even home theater systems without juggling multiple controllers. But the real game-changer is the 2.4-inch HD touchscreen that puts advanced control literally at your fingertips. The touchscreen offers direct navigation and, below the display, dedicated shortcut buttons allow instant access to number pads and macro functions. The remote also comes with a Type-C charging dock, keeping it charged and ready whenever you need it. For smart home enthusiasts, the X2 offers seamless integration with Home Assistant. This means you can use the remote as a dedicated controller for your smart home setup. Through MQTT integration, Home Assistant can subscribe to commands from the remote and trigger automations for your entertainment equipment, lights, curtains, and other smart devices. Essentially, this remote can become the physical command center for your entire home automation ecosystem. One of the standout features of the SofaBaton X2 is its one-touch activity programming. Instead of turning on multiple devices one by one, you can create custom activity sequences like movie night or music mode, which power on your TV, adjust the soundbar, switch inputs, and even dim the lights, all with a single button press. The SofaBaton app takes this customization even further. You can design button layouts, reassign commands, program advanced macros, and create sophisticated activities that execute multiple commands at once. The app also backs up your settings to the cloud, making it easy to restore or transfer them to another device. Voice control is fully supported through Alexa and Google Assistant, but it's important to note that it works with pre-programmed activities. Once your activities are set up and synced with your voice assistant, you can say, "Alexa, start movie night," or "Hey Google, begin music mode," to trigger entire sequences without lifting a finger. The included hub offers 360-degree coverage with powerful IR blasters, ensuring uninterrupted control even if your devices are hidden in cabinets. You can also expand coverage with optional IR repeaters for whole home control, eliminating dead zones and maintaining consistent performance across multiple rooms. In terms of physical design, the X2 measures 6 by 4 by 11 inches and weighs around 2 pounds, making it comfortable to hold and use. It also supports up to 50 devices, giving you flexibility for large setups. The remote is regularly updated through the cloud, so new devices and codes are added, keeping your entertainment system compatible with the latest technology. Overall, the SofaBaton X2 Universal Remote aims to replace the chaos of multiple remotes with one intelligent, customizable, and smart-enabled device. Whether you're looking to streamline your home theater or integrate your entertainment system into a wider smart home setup, this remote brings powerful features and convenience together in a modern, intuitive package. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth looks at the latest tech.